Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another weekly analysis. Starting off with the DXY. On the weekly time frame, I spoke about this last week. I was wanting to see a rejection of this imbalance once we took out the week before's high. The previous week's high, I was expecting to see some sort of rejection, which we have got. On the 4-hour time frame, what I do want to see now is obviously we were trending bullish over here, so we had a bullish structure, and then we had this inverse over here which was holding price. And as you can see, Friday, what's it called, on Friday price actually broke out of this level, and also we had this order block which price didn't react from. So what I am expecting going into next week is I want to see price retrace into this inverse, and then I want to see price come down, taking out these equals and into this imbalance over here. Once price reaches this level, that's when we obviously reevaluate and we analyze, we see how price came into this level. Was it corrective? Was it an impulsive move to the downside? And then we can have a bias on the dollar and dollar correlated pairs. So yeah, I'm going to wait for price to come into this level, but we can obviously trade it as price, comes into this level. So if I am short dollar, I will be looking at longs on the dollar correlated pairs, negatively correlated, like EU, GU, AU, and all of them. So starting off with euro dollar. On the weekly time frame, what I am seeing is we had this huge imbalance, okay, that we spoke about last week. I was expecting price to tap into this, and also we had this inverse over here which price has rejected off very nicely. Daily time frame, price came into this level, and as you can see, we now have a rejection of this level. 4-hour time frame has shifted as well. So we've had price come up, take liquidity. We didn't have a body break. However, when price came down, we failed to put in a new low. Okay, so which made this a week high, and it looks like price is now going up. Not only that, we have this level over here now. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have this level, and I do see price taking out all of this liquidity to go higher into this imbalance. So just like the DXY, once price reaches this level, we'll then have to see where price is going to go next. Okay, but this is the target that I'll be looking for the week ahead. Same with GBP dollar, but this one is just so disgustingly choppy, honestly. So with with GU, we didn't tap into this weekly. Okay, a daily time frame, we haven't tapped into this imbalance. We didn't come down again to tap into it. However, I was kind of thinking that we don't need to come back into it either. Honestly, price can obviously come back, but it doesn't have to, simply because when we had a move up from this level, we actually came back and tapped into this imbalance. So it's not really necessary for price to come and do it again. However, with EU, we didn't have that. So we didn't have that tap on the daily when price continued going up from here. We didn't have that tap. So yeah, I wasn't really expecting another tap last week. So on the 4-hour time frame, honestly guys, this is so choppy. I think I'm just gonna leave it as it is at this point. I think EU is way more clear than GU. Also with GU, it looks like we've actually reached this target. On EU, we still have room to go higher. And also with GU, if you just look at this price action on the 4-hour time frame, what on earth is this? Like, it's not really showing anything. And also GU for the month of March has actually just been in a range. Like the price action on this pair has just been a bit disgusting, not gonna lie. So these two pairs that I'm gonna be watching, I do day trade these as well, and then I've got GJ as well for day trading. I'll go through this with you. I am looking for buys on GJ. So first of all, we'll do the JPY basket. So on the weekly time frame on the JPY basket, what happened is we took out buy side liquidity. Where is sell side? Sell side is down here. However, On our way up, we left quite a bit of imbalances, so we're going to wait for price hopefully to come back into this level, this imbalance. If we break through this imbalance, we could continue going down, taking out this sell side. So if I'm bearish on the JPY basket, I'm obviously going to be bullish on GJ. Also with GJ as well, we didn't really take out this structure on the weekly, so structure wise we are bullish. Also if you look at it on the daily time, on the weekly time frame, it looks like price came down, came into this order block imbalance. We took out sell side liquidity, buy side is up there. Okay, so my target for this pair is that level up there. Daily time frame, we have this order block. So I'll be looking at this daily order block for price to continue going higher. 4-hour time frame, I do see this getting swept. So once price comes into this area, obviously we can wait for a structure shift to then continue going higher. And then in terms of, you can obviously swing these pairs as well. So honestly, you could just have your limit somewhere here at the 50%. Same with EU. You don't really have to wait for price to come into this imbalance and give you confirmation. You can obviously just set your limit here, your stops below this level to target this level. However, I don't think in terms of swings you're going to get the best RR on this. But the other pairs I am watching is I'm really liking the look of a USVC for shorts. So on the weekly time frame, you can see we are technically in a range. However, what is happening is, if you look at price came down, broke structure, went up, failed to put in a new high. Okay, so this was the lower high. Okay, price came all the way down, failed to put in a new low, and then we've gone up and we've failed to put in a new high again. So, and also with dollar being bearish, we can obviously look for shorts. This is positively correlated with the dollar. We've got this imbalance over here that we can look at. And on the 4-hour time frame, what I will be watching is, we've taken sell side liquidity over here, buy side is up there, so I do want to see price come into this level. One second, I want to see price come into this level, and then I want to see a structure shift, and then obviously we can take that to the downside. UJ, monthly time frame, I did say to you guys we are in this monthly imbalance. We're also in a weekly imbalance, and we've still got a daily imbalance right over here. So honestly, for me guys, if you look at the weekly time frame, we've not really had a trap. We've not had any inducement whatsoever. Like for me, this is not inducement. So what I do want to see now is I do want to see all of this getting swept. So the early buyers on a UJ, I do think price could come down, especially with dollar being bearish and JPY pairs being bullish. We could see price tap into the daily imbalance, change of structure, retracement, and then we could get an entry to go higher on this pair. Next pair that I'll be watching is a Euro Aussie. I'm really liking the look of this as well, actually. So if you could just look at this level over here, okay, the weekly time frame, this was the imbalance. We tapped into it the week before and we rejected. We've tapped into it as well. Sorry, we tapped into it this week as well and we've rejected. Daily time frame, we can see we've had a huge push up to the upside. Once we've taken this liquidity, it'll be a lot more cleaner on the 4-hour. So we had this order block plus an imbalance. We've had all of this liquidity swept, and honestly it looks like price is now shifting to the upside. There's two areas price can come to. We could come into this inverse, so we could come into this level and then go higher, or we could liquidate this level over here, use this as a trap or inducement, and then we could take this higher. Also, this could be a swing move as well, so you could enter over here or over here, entirely up to you. However, the targets I'll be watching is the previous high, and yeah, markets are looking really good for Q2. Q1 wasn't really the best for me in terms of swings, to be honest. It was just so slow and horrible, choppy price action. However, going into Q2, markets are looking quite nice, so I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any questions, leave it in the comment below, and I will see you now next week with another weekly analysis. Until then, bye.